impression when I come to Bangladesh, all the people is very good. Their culture is so good. I'm so happy that they welcome me as their family. The family can is so good. And I'm so happy for my new journey because I'm already married with a Bangladeshi man. আমার নাম সাইরা সানা। আমি বাংলাদেশে ভালোবাসি।
What's your religion?
My religion is Islam. And I am also a Muslim. Bangladesh country is a good country. Just I can speak Bangladesh a little bit. And Bangladesh is Sundur. Only I ask. Bangladesh is Sundur.
Please.
My family, they accept also Sujal because they know Sujal, me and Sujal is both Muslim. So they like Sujal because he's a good man. He's not drinking, he's not smoking, and most of all, he's always praying 5 times a day. And this is what I want and what my family want. I'm very happy that now me and Sujal is already married. So I'm very thankful to Allah that Sujal is my husband now.